Merciful brother. The second old man came forward. He had 2 greyhounds. He told the genius story. He said, "These dogs are my brothers. Our father died and left us money. I opened a shop to sell things. My brothers did the same. My oldest brother sold his things. He traveled far away for a year. One day, a beggar came to my shop. I asked, 'How can I help you?' The beggar cried and said, 'Do you not know me?' I looked closely, and it was my brother. I welcomed him and asked what happened. He said, 'I lost my money in good luck.' I took him to the bath. I gave him my clothes. He stayed with me. I checked my money and found 2,000 dinars. I shared the money with my brother. I told him you have not traveled. He was happy and opened a shop. Then my second brother did the same. He sold his things and decided to travel. I tried to stop my brother. He still bought things and left for a year. He came back looking sad. I asked him, 'Didn't I tell you not to travel?' He cried and said, 'I am very poor now.' I helped him. I took him to the bath. I gave him new clothes. We ate and drank together. I counted my shop money. I found I had more money. I was happy. I gave my brother 1,000 dinars. He used it to open a shop. We stayed in our shops for a while. One day my brothers visited me. They asked me to travel with them. I said no. I asked, 'What did your travels help you?' I didn't want to listen. We kept working in our shops every year. They asked me to travel. I always said no. This went on for 6 years. I listened to my brothers. I agreed to go with them first. I checked their money. They had no money left. They spent it all on fun. I didn't blame them. I sold my things. I had 6,000 dinars. I was happy about that. I shared the money with my brothers. We each got 3,000 dinars. I buried 3,000 dinars. I wanted to save some money. We could open our shops later. They were happy with their money. We bought what we needed. We got ready to travel. We rented a ship for our goods. We traveled for 1 month by ship. We arrived in a city. We sold our goods and made some money. One day, we found a girl on the beach. She wore torn clothes. She kissed my hand and said, "Are you kind? I can repay you." I replied, "I like to help others." She said, "Please marry me. Take me to your home. Treat me kindly. I will be grateful." I liked her words. I decided to help her. I took her with me. I gave her clothes and a nice bed on the ship. We sailed again. I loved her very much. I spent all my time with her. I forgot about my brothers. My brothers were jealous of me. They wanted my things. They decided to hurt me. They planned to kill me. They thought it was a good idea. One night, they threw me and my wife into the sea. When my wife woke up, she changed. She became strong. She carried me to an island. She left me there. In the morning, she returned. She said, "I saved you from drowning. I am a jinn who believes in God. I love you. For God's sake." She was angry at my brothers. She wanted to kill them. I was surprised and thanked her. I asked her not to hurt my brothers. I told her everything that happened. She said, "Tonight I will sink their ship." I begged her not to do this. I reminded her they are still my brothers. She said I must harm them. I begged her to stop. She picked me up and flew to my house. She left me on the roof. I went down and unlocked the doors. I got what I hid in the ground. I opened my shop after greeting everyone at night. I came home. I saw 2 dogs in the yard. They ran to me and cried. My wife came and said, "They are your brothers." I asked who did this. She said, "My sister changed them. They will stay like this for 10 years. She told me where to find her. After 10 years, I took the dogs to her. I met a merchant who told me his story. I decided to stay until I saw what happened next. This is my story." "Prince," I asked, "is it amazing?" "Yes, it is," the genie answered. "I will reduce the merchant's punishment.